Hey everyone and welcome. We're going to dye some flowers, in this case baby's breath, for an upcoming resin project. We're going to make some bookmarks later on. We're going to start our project with our alcohol ink, and this is Jacquard Pinata, and the color is Senorita Magenta. So we're going to put a few drops into a plastic cup. I'm guessing that's about 4 or 5 drops. And then a few sprays of our rubbing alcohol. This is 91%. And then you just dip your flower in. It's that easy. I then put them to dry on a paper towel, and you repeat the process until all your flowers are the desired color. And again, you can use any color of alcohol ink to dye your flowers. These are going into some resin bookmarks that I'm going to be making in an upcoming video. So this is the rubbing alcohol that I use. It's 91%, and I believe I got this from Walmart. And here's a close-up of the dyed flower, really pretty. And then here is some of the baby's breath that I dyed that day. So thanks for watching and have a great day.